What if I told you saving $1,000 in just 30 days is possible even on a tight budget? It's not magic or a gimmick, it's about strategy and commitment. Think of this as a challenge, a sprint toward financial freedom. We'll break this big goal into small, manageable steps anyone can follow. In this video, I'll give you a practical, step-by-step plan to save $1,000 in 30 days. We'll cover cutting spending, making extra cash with what you already own, and simple side hustles you can start today. This is about action, not theory. Whether you're building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or just want to stop living paycheck to paycheck, this guide is for you. 1 month from now, you could have $1,000 more in your bank account. All you have to do is follow along and put in the work. Ready? Let's jump in. Before we talk money, you need to find your why. Why do you want to save $1,000? Write it down, don't just think it. Is it for an emergency fund, to pay off debt, or to finally take that trip? Be specific. Your why is your fuel when things get tough. Put it somewhere you'll see every day. Your mirror, your phone, your desk. For the next 30 days, let this why guide every decision, every purchase, every temptation. Ask, does this get me closer to my goal? This isn't about punishment, it's about choosing your future. Make your why a daily obsession. When motivation fades, your why will keep you going. Don't skip this step, it's non-negotiable. Write it down now. Let's move on. Now that you have your why, let's break down the plan. $1,000 in 30 days is about $33 a day. Suddenly, it's not a mountain, it's a daily goal. Our strategy has 4 pillars: cut, sell, earn, and manage. Cut. Aggressively reduce expenses for 1 month. Sell. Turn unused stuff into cash. Earn quick, simple side hustles for extra income. Manage. Automate savings, track progress, and use tricks like no-spend challenges. Get all 4 working, and $1,000 is inevitable. Over the next few scenes, we'll dive into each pillar with step-by-step actions. This isn't rocket science, it's a formula. Follow it, and you'll get results. Let's start with cutting expenses. Mission 1: slash your expenses for 30 days. Pull up last month's bank statement and hunt for cash vampires, those sneaky small expenses. First, food and drink. No restaurants, takeout, or coffee shops. Brew at home, meal prep, and pack lunches. Next, subscriptions. Cancel or pause anything non-essential. Streaming, gym, subscription boxes. Entertainment. Find free alternatives. Parks, libraries, game nights, shopping. No new clothes, gadgets, or impulse buys. Unsubscribe from marketing emails and delete shopping apps. If you need something, wait 48 hours before buying. Transportation carpool. Use public transit, walk, or bike when possible. Every dollar saved goes straight to your goal. Remember, this is temporary, a short-term sacrifice for a big win. Add up your potential savings, you might be halfway to $1,000 just from this step. Every time you say no to a small expense, you're saying yes to your big goal. Choose financial freedom over instant gratification. This is your spending diet. Stick to it for 30 days. Track your progress daily. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. You'll be amazed how much you can save. Ready for the next step? Let's turn your clutter into cash. Time to bring in cash by selling your stuff. Your home is a gold mine. Set a goal. Find $200, $300 worth of things to sell. Start with 1-room closet first. If you haven't worn or used it in a year, sell it. Brand name clothes, shoes, and accessories do well on Poshmark, Depop, or ThredUp. Electronics are big money: old phones, tablets, laptops, and game consoles. Use Gazelle, Declutter, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay. Don't forget furniture, sports gear, kitchen gadgets, or kids' toys. Local apps like OfferUp are great for quick sales. Clean items, take clear photos, and write honest descriptions. Price to sell. Speed matters more than squeezing every dollar. List 5 items a day for a week and watch the cash add up. Don't overthink, just start listing. Every sale is a win for your savings goal. Turn clutter into cash, fast. Set a daily listing goal and stick to it. The money is already in your home. Go find it. Ready to earn even more? Let's talk side hustles. Now, let's supercharge your savings with quick side hustles. The goal: bring in $200, $500 extra this month. Gig economy apps are the fastest way. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart if you have a car. Just 5-10 hours a week can add up fast. No car? Try TaskRabbit for odd jobs or offer to help neighbors with moving yard work or errands. Got skills? Write, proofread, or design on Upwork or Fiverr. Offer virtual assistant services or simple graphic design. In your community, try pet sitting, dog walking, babysitting, or tutoring. Post in local Facebook groups or put up a flyer. Don't wait for the perfect side hustle, just pick one and start. Earning your first $20 is proof it works. Combine a few gigs for even faster results. Momentum is everything. Get started this week. Every extra dollar gets you closer to $1,000. Let's make saving a game. Time for a powerful trick, the no-spend challenge. For a set period, weekend, week, or the whole month, spend zero on anything not essential. Essentials: rent, utilities, planned groceries, gas, medications. Everything else is off limits. Every time you resist a purchase, transfer that amount to savings. Skip to $5 coffee, move $5 to your savings account. This turns saving into a game and makes every no a win. You'll be shocked how fast it adds up. $100 or more in a week is possible. This challenge rewires your brain to notice spending habits. You'll see how much money you were letting slip away. Start your first no-spend day today. Even 24 hours counts. Track every dollar you win. Watch your savings grow in real time. Make it fun. Challenge friends or family to join. The more you play, the more you save. Ready to automate your progress? Now, automate your savings, pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer from checking to savings for $33 a day or $234 a week. If you're paid bi-weekly, set it for $467. Automating removes willpower from the equation. The money moves before you can spend it. You'll learn to live on what's left, not save what's left. Some banks offer roundup features. Turn them on for extra savings. Don't wait, set up the transfer now. This guarantees progress, even on tough days. It's your safety net and your secret weapon. Every automated transfer is a step closer to your goal. Let your money work for you in the background. Now, let's make tracking your progress fun. Managing and tracking your progress is what keeps you motivated. Get a visual tracker, a chart, thermometer, or progress bar labeled $1,000. Every time you save, color it in. Put it somewhere you'll see daily, next to your why. Use a simple spreadsheet or app to log every deposit, date, source, amount, total. This shows you what's working best, cutting, selling, or earning. Celebrate small milestones, $100, $500, $750. Each checkpoint keeps you motivated. You're not just saving, you're winning a series of mini challenges. Make saving visual, tangible, and fun. Share your progress with friends or online for accountability. The more you track, the more you'll save. Let's wrap it up. That's the complete playbook to save $1,000 in 30 days. You've got the tools. Now take action. Cut extras, sell what you don't need, earn a little extra, automate, and track. This 1 month can change your financial future. Imagine how you'll feel with an extra $1,000 in your account. Even if you only save $500, that's a huge win. Accept the challenge. Let me know your plan in the comments. You got this. Subscribe for more tips on how to build a stronger financial future. See you in the next video.